Hi, this is JNM, and in this tutorial I will show you how to set up Visual Studio 2017 with Unity 5.6 and the Visual Studio tools for Unity. The first thing you have to do is to download Visual Studio 2017 from the page visualstudio.com/downloads. The Community Edition is for free, by the way. After you downloaded and opened the setup, the following dialog with so-called workloads appears. Workloads are modules that can be installed optionally. One of these is the game development with Unity that you can select and install during this process. But if you installed Visual Studio 2017 already and want to install the game development with Unity extension afterwards, you can open the Visual Studio installer, then press Modify, and select the game development with Unity in the workloads overview. Now let's open Unity 5.6 and my project Irvin's Time Warp, an indie game that I'm currently developing. To use Visual Studio 2017 as a game development environment, just open Edit, Preferences, and in the dialog select External Tools and choose Visual Studio 2017 Community. You can also choose Mono Develop, which is built in, or a previous version of Visual Studio. Alright, now that we configured this, let's open a C# script with Visual Studio. Here we go, this is my player controller class, and here in the toolbar you can see the button Attach to Unity. If you choose this option and the game is already running, then the debugger will be attached to this process. But there's also an option to attach to Unity and play, and this will start the game and attach the debugger. So let's test this. I set a breakpoint here in the awake method, and then I press the button to attach to Unity and play. And when the game is started, the breakpoint is hit and we are ready to investigate the variables, their values, or just to debug the application. Or let me set a breakpoint that is hit when the player executes a certain action, like to pick up an item. Again, I press Attach to Unity and play. Then the game is starting. Then I walk around here with my character till I'm in a situation where I can pick up an item. The code is executed then, and the breakpoint is hit. And then I can check, for example, the call stack, who called this function and the previous one, check the members and their states, and so on. What's also a great helper of the Visual Studio tools for Unity is the possibility to implement special messages of Unity classes. This class derives from Monobehavior, and now I right-click and choose Implement Unity Messages. Then a dialog pops up and you can select which message you want to implement. So that's a big time saver. You don't have to look up the declaration anymore in the API documentation. Just open this dialog, set the checkbox, for example here on OnCollisionEnter, then choose the API version and press OK, and the method will be added to your class. Alright guys, that's it for installing and using the Visual Studio 2017 tools for Unity. I really hope you liked the video, and if you like my channel then don't forget to subscribe to be notified when new content is uploaded. Thanks a lot for watching this, and I hope you come back soon to JNM.